Here's my new brewery. It's all electric. Let me give you a little tour here. This here is the boil kettle. Also the hot liquor tank. I have a 5500 watt heating element going into the bottom. There's a thermocouple. And let's see, here's the output. Here's the return, which also creates a whirlpool inside the tank. I have 2 pumps. And this is the mash tun here. And there's another thermocouple inside of this. So I keep track of the circulation temperature. Just installed this sight glass about 20 minutes ago. Here's my Counterflow Chiller. Put cold water in here from a garden hose. Goes through, comes out here. The beer goes in here. It comes out. So it goes in here and comes out the bottom. And the beer travels in the opposite direction of the cooling water. Hence the name Counterflow or Chiller. And this here is where I keep track of the temperature of the beer coming out, because I want it to be around 70 degrees or so, 65, 70 degrees Fahrenheit when it comes out of this port. And that'll be the temperature it needs to be at for pitching the yeast. And here's my controller. This is the main power. This is just the meter that shows me the voltage, how much power I'm using. Right now it's about 5400 watts. There's the current. It's being pulled. About 22.68 amps. This is the switch for pump 1 and the switch for pump 2. They're off right now. This is the PID. This is the thing that does all the work. And it's for Celsius. So I have it set at 103 degrees Celsius to try to bring, I'm trying to see how long it takes to bring 15 gallons of water up to a boil. So I set it at 103 degrees Celsius. And as you can see, it's at just about 46 degrees Celsius right now. Look at this. This switch here actually turns off the signal coming from the PID, sending the signal to a solid state relay inside the box. That relay sends the 220 volts to the heating element. And well, here's the return for the thermocouple. That's plugged in over here. And let's see what we got. That's about it. There's my new electric panel I had to put in to run this thing. 60 amp service. And there you go. There you have it. So right now, it's pretty good. About 120 degrees Fahrenheit. And there's the inside. There's the element. Let's see what we got here. That round thing over there is the return. That curved one is the dip tube that picks up the water, the work, And that little thing coming out on the side there, that little stick, that's the thermocouple. And a little hole down there, that's for the sight glass. For this guy right here. So it's heating up, looking good. The cover back on. And there you go. I think I might even make some beer next week, because I'm just about done with all the testing. All the plumbing is done. The elements work, the electric works, controller works. Craig and I did the wet test last week. Had a couple of leaks here and there that we fixed, and everything went well. I just want to check this Counterflow wort chiller today to see how long, to see what temperature this actually brings it down to, from 100 degrees Celsius down to 20 degrees Celsius. Hopefully it works. And I'll let you know when I get there. Right now I'm just waiting for this thing to reach boil. It's been about a half hour so far. And it's up, well, it's halfway there. We'll be back later.